everybody, this is Miss Lena from Miss Cleveland's Kitchen. I'm coming to you today and I'm going to read I will be taking the scripture from, let me see, well, I'll be taking it from Isaiah 44:24. The Lord your Redeemer and Creator said, I am the Lord who made all things. I alone stretches out the heavens. Be myself. I made the earth and everything in it. Isaiah 44:24. Chapter 44, verse 24. Thank you very much. Now I'm getting ready to make a new edition of a meatloaf. That's one. It's almost the same, but it's a little bit different. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using in this particular meatloaf. I will be having, I'm going to use the marinated tomato, onion, garlic marinade. And I'll be using diced tomatoes, paparika, complete, cumin, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, and I'll also be using plain breadcrumbs. And I'll be using 2 eggs. And I also have onion, bell pepper, all color bell peppers, and all color bell peppers. And then I'll be using I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. So now I'm getting ready, and I'll be putting just a little bit of table salt in also. Okay. I'll be adding table salt right now. We don't use very much, so I don't have to have that on. So use according to what you have to have in the table salt, okay?
You know what?
Okay. I can't tell you. Will be probably just putting in whatever I think I need to use now. If you think you have to have a measurement, normally I'm going to be putting in maybe 1/4 of a tablespoon of, this is paparika, and I'll probably have about 1/4 of a tablespoon of everything, except the garlic and onion powder, which will probably be 1/4 cup. Okay, you guys, I'm back with you. I changed my bowl so you could see what I was doing. So. All right, so I've already put in my paprika. And okay, now I'm putting in a little bit complete because I started it, but I decided the bowl was so small, I wouldn't be able to get ready that where you all could see it. Okay. So it's still about 1/4 of a spoon, tablespoon. And always 1/3 cup of garlic powder. And this onion powder here. And I'll add the onion powder so I have it together. So 1/4 cup of each one of these. I said 1/4, I mean 1/3 cup. I'm putting 1/3 cup in. 1/3 cup of onion powder, 1/3 cup of garlic powder. Okay. And 1/4 of tablespoon of cumin and paprika. And this is, this is the cumin here. Okay. Okay. I've already put my garlic powder in. Like peppers next. Now I have everything in here, and I put 1 teaspoon of salt in here, and okay. And now I'm going to add. Okay. I have cut up onions and bell peppers and all together. So I have about one small bell pepper, and then I'm going to this I have is my Philadelphia cream cheese, okay? And I'm going to mix that give me just a little bit of honey. I'm putting just a little bit of honey into the cream cheese, which will probably be about 2 tablespoons. Okay. Now I'm going to blend this together. Okay. Now into this, I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon of ketchup. Not much, just about a tablespoon of ketchup. Sorry. All right. Now I'm blending this together. Now I'm going to be putting it in to the bowl I have of my meatloaf. So it's going to be very delicious, and I know it. So everything's off the chain and over the chain and everything else. But this is very good. So I'm going to kind of blend it in a little bit. And I also have a cup of diced tomatoes in also. Okay. I also have, I have 2 eggs. I'm putting everything in together. Okay. Now I'm putting in this is what you call a cup of breadcrumbs also. Everything's going in at one time. Okay. So all right, now I'm getting ready to mix it all in together. Put just a little bit more. About another half cup of breadcrumbs in here. A little bit of marinade in here. See, I add a little cup in.
She put a cup of marinara in there, y'all. Marinara sauce.
Well, mix right now. These long gloves doesn't bother me. Just a little bit more. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to be pouring it into the pan. Okay.
Okay, yeah, she put more marinade on top before she put in the oven. Marinara. And we'll be back once it's done, y'all. Bye.
Okay. It's going in the oven right now at 350. This one will take a little bit longer. So thick.
Happy Sunday, everyone. Here's Miss Melina's Sunday meal. She got oven, honey, barbecue chicken, and here's the homemade sauce. She got homemade cornbread. She got lima beans, roasted potatoes, stuffed zucchini, and she have homemade meatloaf. And this is her Sunday.